Today we will be unboxing the SecuX V20. Welcome to Digitalspace, where we do reviews on crypto-related products. Before we start, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel would be awesome. Thank you. Today we have the SecuX V20. SecuX have three different models of hardware wallet: the W10, W20 and the V20. The V20 is retailed at 129 USD. If you decide to purchase the SecuX V20, you can use the coupon in the description below to get 15% off. At the back of the box, here it says it is vault graded protection. It uses a Bluetooth and USB connectivity. It has a 2.8-inch color touchscreen, and the V20 supports over 1,000 cryptocurrencies. So if you hold a wide variety of portfolio, the V20 might be the wallet for you. At the side of the box, we have a 2 security seal. Let's open it. Put that aside. So in the box, you'll get the device itself, a black pouch to store the device, a USB-C cable to connect and charge the device, a user manual, and a recovery sheet to write down your seed phrase. To set up the device, you will need to create a PIN and a name for the device. After that, the device will ask you if you are setting up a new wallet or recovering from existing wallet. For this video, we will set up a new wallet. I will make a separate tutorial video on how to recover your wallet. The device will then generate a 24-word seed phrase. Write it down and keep it safe. For those who want to know more about seed phrase, you can go to our Instagram page linked in the description below. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you. When you are done writing down the seed phrase, the device will ask to confirm all 24 words. When all the words are confirmed, your device is set and ready. After your device is set up, you can connect your device using Bluetooth. Press the menu button on the top left, select the Bluetooth icon to switch it on. On your phone, press the connect button to search for the device you want to connect to. The device then generates OTP code, type it out, and your device is now connected. To create an account, press the top left corner and select your coin. Name the account and it is ready to be used. That's all you need to do to get the device ready. It's very simple and straightforward. Confirmation for the 24-word seed phrase is easy and fast. because of the touchscreen. But they don't have an official app. To connect, we need to go to their website. And they don't give the option to stake your crypto. For me, I rather make my crypto sitting in the cold wallet and earning me at the same time, rather for it not to earn me anything at all. We will post a separate video and a full review for the V20 soon, so please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get notified. And if you think the V20 is the wallet for you, check out in the description below to get 15% discount.